She is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth. He has charged his phone. He has charged his phone. She is buying groceries. She is buying groceries. They have cleaned the kitchen. They have cleaned the kitchen. He is washing his hands. He is washing his hands. She has made her bed. She has made her bed. He is drinking a glass of water. He is drinking a glass of water. She has folded the clothes. She has folded the clothes. They are watching television. They are watching television. He has locked the front door. He has locked the front door. She is combing her hair. She is combing her hair. He has taken a shower. He has taken a shower. She is cooking breakfast. She is cooking breakfast. They have watered the plants. They have watered the plants. He is putting on his shoes. He is putting on his shoes. She has packed her school bag. She has packed her school bag. He is opening the window. He is opening the window. She has washed the dishes. She has washed the dishes. They are waiting for the bus. They are waiting for the bus. He has turned off the lights. He has turned off the lights. She is writing in her notebook. She is writing in her notebook. He has finished his homework. He has finished his homework. She is wearing a clean jacket. She is wearing a clean jacket. They have arrived at the office. They have arrived at the office. He is unlocking his bicycle. He is unlocking his bicycle.